How to change flights on Air Tahiti Nui. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can change flights on Air Tahiti Nui. So how do you change flights? Simple. The first step is to log in into your Air Tahiti Nui account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, scroll down to the section where you can see online check-in, manage my booking, arrivals and departures, news. Click on manage my booking. So at the manage my booking page, you can see the options for you to retrieve, customize and manage your trip. So scroll down to the section where you'll be asked to enter in your booking reference and your last name, and then your flights would be displayed. Select the flight that you would like to cancel. So by selecting the flight that you would like to cancel, you will take it to the flight detail page. On the details page, look for the option to modify your booking and then choose your new preferred flight time and date from the available options. Then once you're done with that, review the changes, confirm your selection, and follow the prompts to complete the process. You must note that a fare difference may apply and there may be a change fee depending on your fare type and availability. And that way, your flights would be changed easily on Air Tahiti Nui. So go ahead to make those changes now. Have a good day.